Hello guys, this is Ilyas from Acumen Academy back again with a new tutorial of CorelDRAW. So guys, in today's video I will tell you about rarely used tools of CorelDRAW which are not that much important but covering this if someone wants to use. So let's get started. So the tools are pick tool, freehand pick tool, zoom tool, pen tool, table tool, dimension tools and connector tools. So guys, the first tool is pick tool. So with the help of pick tool you can pick and move the object from here to there, and with freehand pick tool you can freehandly select the object and move it from here to there. Now the next tool is zoom tool. With the help of zoom tool you can zoom in, and by pressing shift you can zoom out, and by using pen tool you can drag your artboard like this to separate corners or places, as you can see. The next tool is table tool. So by using table tool you can create table like structures, and from this upper panel you can change the number of rows and columns, and you can use this tool in calendars, timetables, etc. So the next tool is dimension tool. So by using dimension tool, the first tool is parallel dimension. You can take the dimensions of the object. Second one is horizontal dimensions. You can take the horizontal dimensions. Third one is angular dimensions. You can take the dimensions of the angles like this. And fourth one is segment dimension. You can take the dimensions of a segment. And the next tool is line connector tools. So line connector tools are basically used for connecting the lines to a object, and you can use this tool in flowcharts or connecting two objects together like this. You can also connect a right angle, or you can connect it with the help of right angle rounded corners, and now they are connected. Whenever you will move an object, the lines will move with it, as you can see. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.